Alright guys, this is cold start video of the Crown Vic. Still white smoke coming out of the exhaust. Here we go. And a 1 and a 2 and a 1, 2, 3. The car is untuned. I'm taking it tomorrow, Tuesday, to get tuned with Marty and the guys at their dyno shop. Not Marty's dyno shop, but a shop here local to me on 290 in Cypress, Texas. I'm gonna let it warm up, see if the smoking goes away, but I think it doesn't. So there it goes. And here's my stinking Lincoln and the rotten Lincoln, zombie looking Lincoln. And this one hasn't ran in 8 years, about to be 9. Just too much in depth. Panther, Oreo here. Panda. Gonna get rid of that because I already have this. But it is what it is. I already have the freaking TrickFlow 38cc heads on it, modular head shop, TrickFlow, specialty NA cams, stage 3. I'm gonna 24-pound injectors. Has 2 underdrive pulleys, but the alternator pulley is not installed. I eventually plan on putting that on. Throttle body and plenum are stock. The intake, obviously, mass airflow from the police car is 80 millimeters. I'm gonna put the throttle body 75 millimeter and the plenum on it, but since it needs to be modified to work, I haven't done that yet. But yeah, man, that's what it is. And it has long tube headers. I forgot about including them. 2 high flow cats that look like they're hollowed out, but it looks like them straight through mufflers, them straight through resonators. That's what those 2 cats look like. And it's got mini O2 cats because the check engine light was on and it wouldn't pass inspection. After the cats is the 2.5-inch electric exhaust cutouts. I didn't bring the little remote, so I won't activate it right now. And I wanted to show the smoke that the car keeps giving out. So I'm gonna tune the car, and then if it's still smoking, I'm gonna tell the shop that it's still smoking, you know. I send it to them to diagnose and fix the issue, whatever it is. Hopefully it's something easy. Supposedly there was a crack on the manifold which was leaking antifreeze, and the injectors were leaking as well, which caused the issues, right? Supposedly that's what they said. But we'll see. one mechanic I used to use, a mobile mechanic, he said he thinks there's not a serious issue, to just drive it and eventually it'll go away. I don't know how true that is, but I had another guy from the Panther community. He also don't think it's gonna be an issue, a serious issue. Definitely told me to go get it tuned right, but I mean, it could be worn piston rings, as another dyno shop that I was using told me after they diagnosed it. But what I plan on doing is putting a stop leak that is concentrated on the piston ring issue to see if that fixes it, stops the white smoke. And if it does work, stop the smoke. I mean, it may be the piston rings are worn, but it only has 84,000 miles, which is something rare to see this happening without it being a manifold issue, right? Intake manifold issue. But we shall see. I got the MMR stroker kit that I could put on there if it is the piston ring. It's gonna be some more money I have to put in the engine, but I mean, if it fixes the issue, then it's all good. But we'll see what it makes on the dyno now that it has the TrickFlow heads and the cams. My white and steelies, I haven't put them on yet. Dealing with this issue. Okay, she's not the best at reversing, so hopefully she don't hit my van. Okay, we're good. I told her to back it the other way, but I guess. I guess that's all, folks. Should I wait till it goes to 10 minutes? Shit. Well, this is what she sounds like untuned. Yeah, you can see at the bottom. I don't know if you can see it, but the cutouts, they end like a halfway of the front doors. But yeah, there we go. Peace out.